Hey guys, hit the drop down menu in any video for a direct link to our eBay store.
Hey guys, we're back with another video. I'm going to start out by hitting the drop down menu and entering our eBay store. Mobile phone, so I'm going to need to put the browser in desktop mode. Now I can see the categories on the left hand side, and today's unit is a Polaris Sportsman 1000 high lifter. So I'll go to Polaris, then Polaris ATV. And on the left hand side, you'll see the menu for Sportsman 1000. And at this point, you can search through all the Sportsman 1000 items. And at the top, you can search the eBay store directly using OEM part number or a specific keyword. Appreciate your business, guys. Let us know if you need anything.